Midge flies are common wastewater pests found in just about any type of different wastewater facility, whether it's lagoons, activated sludge systems, or really wherever wastewater can be stored. They're particularly problematic because the larvae of the midge flies are often called bloodworms or redworms. These organisms will get into any sort of organic biomass being built up, once again, whether it's in lagoons, clarifiers, or active or aeration basins. They'll nestle themselves into the mixed liquor and begin to consume them for nutrients. Overnight, you can lose as much as about 1,000 parts of mixed liquor in just one evening. Not only do they consume biomass rapidly, but they'll also clog any sort of pipes, mechanics, and instrumentation that you're using within your wastewater system. All right, so today we're applying the Midge Fly Complete treatment. As you'll see here, the Midge Fly Complete treatment is broken up into two parts. One part being right here, the aquebac. This is going to be the larvicide itself. It's actually a specific type of bacteria that seeks out midge fly larvae and midge fly larvae alone. So any of the redworms, cocoons you see inside of any sort of aeration basin clarifier, that's where aquebac will work best on. The second part here being the larvazyme. So this is an enzyme designed to degrade insoluble organic matter. In the case of the Midge Fly Complete treatment, the larvazyme will tackle any sort of cocooning that the larvae tend to bind themselves in, along with any of the insoluble organic matter that they'll wedge themselves into. So effectively, the larvazyme is going to increase surface penetration of the aquebac itself, just simply improving efficacy overall. Once again, your dose will simply be based on your average daily flow rate. So now that the larvazyme has been added, we'll add in the aquebac at the same exact dose rate that we had added the larvazyme. Since this is the first application we've done here at the City of Columbus, we'll then follow up with the second dose rate later on this week. Once we've repeated that for 4 weeks, we'll then drop down to a smaller maintenance dose to simply clean up any residual activity. Those will be much less in volume and only dose once weekly.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm one of the operators here at Columbus. We really enjoy working with Aquafix Laboratories and all their products that we've used around the plant and at all of our lift stations.
To apply Midge Fly Complete at a clarifier, you'd simply dose both products at equivalent dose rates to the center well of the clarifier itself. That way we ensure that the entirety of the product is being distributed evenly throughout the entire basin. Now, as you see here, there's 2 basins, so we would effectively take the total dose based on average daily flow rate and simply split it equally between these 2 clarifiers.
For more information, please contact your Aquafix technical service representative or visit our website at teamaquafix.com.